one which will be printed at the end of the first line, section 1. Then similar way, section details, you can label this section as label section / label section : detail, something like that. In section ref : section introduction, we can talk this basis. So this is another example. Now we will see the practice experiment. You'll see the output code of practice experiment. Before that, we will see the single markup /table of contents. /table of content is a markup. We choose to create a table of content with the heading of contents with the section number and page number at the end. Okay. /table of content is a markup. We choose to create a table of contents. /new page is a markup. We choose to create a new page. Now, this is our experiment. So /document class as article, /begin document and end document. Inside that, the first section introduction, label intro. Yes, fine. This is a section reference intro. So this is a section 1. Section 2, which will reference methods, which will follow. So please see the output. This is a section. Reference 1 means, reference intro means 1. Section 2 reference, which will be named as methods. Similar way for second section notation and methods, label methods. This is a section 2, which follows section 1. So which will be printed like this. Similar way, section 3, which is results, label as result. This is a section which will be named as results. Subsection which will be named as are the method relative for verification. Then label for or full. This is a section, the section number 3.1, which is within section 3. Similar way, another subsection, at last the conclusion section. This is what our experiment was created. I will try this experiment. Please wait a second. I will copy this code and go to my overleaf. I will remove these things and I will paste my code. I will recompile. Yes, my entire thing which will be printed. /document classes article, begin document and end document. Inside that the content was printed. I will type /table of content. I will create a markup called a /table of content. I will recompile it. Please see here, it automatically creates with a single markup, which automatically create a table of contents. Now please verify. Here I will add little more content. So using a markup which will be called as libsum. Okay. /use package. Use package is a markup which used to include style files. /document class is a markup which used to include class files. /use package is a markup which used to include style file. So libsum is one of the style file which used to print a dummy content. So here in the label section, I will print /libsum. Okay. I think libsum, it print more content. So, okay, I will compile it. Please see here. So contents. So 1 for introduction. Below that, the dummy content was printed. Then 2 for 2. Below that, I will add some content in section 2.2. I will add some content that is /libsum of second para only. Yes, some dummy content. Libsum is a package you choose to print some dummy content for filling this experiment. Okay. So in first, I will print the first paragraph. Similar way, inside result, I will print that paragraph. Libsum of that paragraph. Similar way, inside conclusion, I will print /libsum of fifth paragraph. Okay. We choose to print a dummy content. Okay. So similar way in 3.1 and 3.2. 3.1 and 3.2, I will add some dummy content. Slash lipsum of fourth paragraph. From not only fourth paragraph, I will print fourth paragraph line number 1, 2, 3. Only 3 lines. It's a dummy content printing function in LaTeX. Okay. So lipsum is a package we choose to print some dummy content. So here I will print the dummy contents. Okay, fine. Now please verify the table of content, which will be properly updated. Yes, fine. So lipsum is a package we choose to create a dummy content inside our program. So now I will go to my overleaf homepage, click home to create a new article. So new page, blank project. So new article. Yes, fine. Create article in few seconds. Automatically which create article. Automatically which print the use package, title, author, begin document and end document, and makes title. Okay. Which create whatever required, which automatically created by first. If I'm changed into article title, my article, and similar way author name and things which will be printed. So the first. If you print a dummy content, you can use a markup which will be called as /lipsum. Okay. So this is what this experiment which will works. So initially starts with LaTeX intro. Then we are entering into basic LaTeX format document class, begin document and end document. After that, we are entering into title, then author name and date. This markup which will be taken into center with the help of a markup called a /make title. After that, we are entering into section, subsection, subsection. Then we are see the label and reference. Now the next one. This is another example. Section. If some sections, the section number was not needed, in that section, in front of curly brace, you can place star. Please see here, /begin document, /section, star, preface. So this section was not numbered. Then /section introduction. So one starts from this section. That's fine. If whatever section which won't need number, so no number is needed for that section, you can place star in front of curly brace. You can see the experiment. /section introduction. Before that, I will add another section. Section preface. Initially, I will compile first. You can see one preface, two introduction. Now I will place star here. Now I will recompile it. So preface, there is no number in front of preface and one for introduction. If wherever the numbering is not needed, star is a markup we choose to avoid numbering in the heading. Star is a markup we choose to avoid numbering in the heading. I hope it's clear. Is it clear? Shall I move to next? Is it clear or not? Please use chat box.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Is there a way easily identify the section and subsection? Yeah, there are numerous number of formatting. Easiest formatting is also available. After session, we will discuss about easy way to edit the code. So yes, fine. So initially, the section number in front of that you can use star for avoiding number. Then similar way, if you are creating chapters, if you are creating article, in that case you can use for section, subsection. Please see here my example. Now I will change article into text. Please see the error message. Article into book. Please see here. It will be numbered as 0.1. See here, 0.1. So section is not fit for the book or report class. Section is a fit for article class. If you can go for report or book, in that, if you are creating your thesis, in that situation, you cannot use section, you can use chapter. Please see here. Chapter inside that section. Okay. So please see this example. So understanding chapter and subchapters, which is similar to section and subsection, but which is used for the class article, the class which will be called as report and book. So chapter and subchapter, if a major division in a document, like a big part of a book, which will be called as chapter. Subchapter, LaTeX use section inside chapter instead of subchapter. So sections are marked as subchapter here. Okay. Chapter for major division, subchapter for like a section. Okay. The markup which will be called as / chapter introduction. So which will create introduction section / subchapter. Then subchapter, in that case, you can use section. Instead of subchapter, you can use section. So this is the example. / document class book / begin document and end document. Inside that, I will use / chapter introduction / section background / subsection history / chapter methodology / section technique. So I will create, this is a simple example. We will try this. I will go to my overleaf. I will clear everything. I will type / document class. The name of the classes, book. Then starts with a markup called a / begin document and end document. Inside that, I will type / chapter introduction / chapter introduction. Then I will recompile it. Please see here. Please see. Automatically the heading chapter 1, which is, please see here, the page, full page, I will see. In the left hand side, which automatically placed a heading as chapter 1. Below that, introduction. Then I will type / section introduction to MS Word. Then I will recompile it. Automatically chapter below that section. So 1.1 MS Word. Then another section / section LaTeX. Then subsection / subsection something called as text live. I will recompile this. Yes. Similar way, I will create another chapter / chapter methodology. I will recompile this. Automatically, the chapter was created a new page and place this chapter 2, which will create a new page and place the chapter 2 methodology. That's fine. So similar way, in the header, which will place chapter 1 for introduction. In the after chapter 1, the next page itself, which continued with chapter 2 for chapter 1 for introduction. Similarly, after chapter 2, if I am add some content, something / lipsum of 2, second paragraph, I will use a package / use package lipsum, not only second paragraph, all. Okay. SUM. I will execute. Please see here. Chapter 2 methodology. So below that, second thing, please zoom. I am zoom it. Automatically, page number was placed in the top left corner, and chapter 2 heading was placed in the right corner. Then the content was aligned. Yes, so properly fit. Similar way, I will add that same content in /lipsum. I will recombine this. Please see here. Chapter 1, introduction. Below that 1.1, their content. Then 1.2, and no content was placed. 1.2.1. Then chapter 2 methodology, the heading, the proper header and proper footer and page number. Everything was properly aligned. If it's a chapter page, the page number which is placed in the bottom. If it's inside chapter page, the page number which is placed in the top left corner. So think about the situation. Everything was properly aligned. Each and everything was properly aligned. For book, every content, I will add another content. Each and every content was properly aligned in the book. That's fine. If it's a left-hand side of book, the page number was placed in right corner. If it's right-hand side of book, a double column book. So right-hand side of book, the header was placed in the right side and page number. Everything was properly formatted based on the book alignment. One second.